Hello everyone. In today's class, we are going to discuss about cloud infrastructure management and what are the fundamental concept of cloud computing, and that ensure your cloud environment it's efficient, secure, and also scalable environment. So let us discuss in detail. So first is your cloud infrastructure management. That is something that mastering the modern cloud. So which means it is essential for overseeing cloud resources and optimizing performance and controlling the cost in today's rapidly developing cloud market environment. Around 94% of entrepreneurs using these cloud services. So it is something that the cloud infrastructure is referred to the hardware and software components like server, storage, networking, and virtualization, and also management tool that enables the cloud computing. So these resources are virtualized and delivered over the internet via public or also private and hybrid clouds. Hope you discuss these things in previous classes. Let us see why does cloud infrastructure is needed for management, because without a proper oversight it can become okay. So the main important thing of this cloud infrastructure is something that costly due to be over provisioned resources and also unreliable for monitored properly, and it is an insecure. So to overcome these constraints, we go for a cloud environment. So let us see what are the core components of the cloud infrastructure management. So uh, before discussing about the cloud infrastructure management, let us see what are the core components of the cloud infrastructure managements are needed. First one is your computing resources, that is your VM or a container or a serverless instance. And next one is your storage systems. It may be a block or an object or a file storage place. Next is your networking. Networking may be your virtual networks or load balancer or firewalls. And the third thing is your virtualization layers. So virtualization layers are hyper supervisors, and the last thing is monitoring and logging the tools and backup and disaster recovery systems. These are the main important core components of your CAM. So in this regards, the CAM composes the process and tools for controlling the cloud service resources. It involves deployment, operation, and monitoring and optimization to provide a maximum efficiency, and that should be also cost effective. The main thing is that deployment is something that it provides the cloud services, and monitoring is tracking the resource usage, and it maintains the systems healthy. Next thing is their operation. Operation is something that it ensures the availability and performance. Optimization is both energy efficiency or also it reduces cost. So next let us see about the core pillars of CIM. The core pillars of CIM something that is that automation, that is infrastructure as a core. It reduces manual errors by 70% and also cost management. So financial operation reduce spending 20 to 30% compared to the old methodologies, and monitoring and observation. So it provides a real-time insights and proactive detecting 90% of issues. And the last thing is security and compliance. It provides a policy enforcement, preventing around 85% of micro configurations. So these are the main core pillars of efficient CIM, and it involves in performing several tasks, that is provisioning and scaling resources are needed, and it also used for monitoring usage, health, and also performance. And next thing is your security management. It provides an access, encryption, and passing. And the last thing is that automation. It may be as infrastructure as a code. Next, the main important thing in this cloud environment is cost optimization. So it's right sizing and usage tracking. And let us see some of the tools and platforms. Um, so cloud providers and third-party vendors offers many tools. For example, AWS that offer CloudFormation, CloudTrail, and also EC2 auto scaling. And if you take Azure, it provides an Azure Resource Manager, Monitor, and also cost management. And if you take a cloud, Google Cloud, it provides a deployment manager and also operation suite. And the third party is something that data log. These things will come under tools and platforms. And let us see the key benefits of this CAM. So the first thing is the operational efficiency, faster deployment, and around 50% of reduction in provisioning time. And the main thing is cost optimization. It eliminates the wastage and leading to 20 to 40% of savings of cloud spend. Next, let us see about the common challenges in cloud infrastructure management. One is your cloud sprawl, which means the uncontrolled resources growth leading to 32% of wastage of cloud spent, and consume overruns, which lacks of visibility and control. That means around 32% of cloud budget is extended. And security risk, that is misconfiguration, causes 79% of cloud data breaches. And complexity, multi-cloud environments are highly complex. So let us see the essential tools. So the essential tool is something that we saw about what are the services are provided by AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, and third party. These are the common providers provided. And let us see about the best practices of implementing the cloud infrastructure management, which means adopt FinOps culture, which integrates the finance, operation, and development teams for collaborating cost optimization, and implement of IAC. IAC is something that infrastructure as a cloud. So it is a game changer in this cloud infrastructure management. It provides consistency in deployment and also version control of environment, and automated testing and rollout. These things will come under IAC. Next is centralized monitoring. So use of a single pane of glass to reduce the mean time to resolution by 40%. Next is automate security policies, which implements continuous scanning and also remediation for compliance. The last thing is regular audit. So conduct monthly reviews for resource usage, cost, and also security policies. Next, let us see about the conclusion of this future cloud infrastructure management. So mainly we go for this cloud computing infrastructure management is something that use auto scaling and load balancing to optimize performance, and apply tagging for the resource tracking and cost allocation, and it uses a multi-region deployment for high availability, and implement of continuous monitoring and alerting. And the cloud infrastructure management is crucial for optimizing investment and mitigation risk, and the future of cloud infrastructure management involves AI and ML for autonomous operation and serverless management and sustainable cloud practices. So continuation adoption is key for harnessing the cloud potential. So in a real world, Spotify runs on a Google Cloud platform. Hope we all use Spotify nowadays. So it basically run on Google Cloud platform and manage million of users for data and music delivery. So this is a good example for this. And in future, the infrastructure management will be AI driven and self-healing and zero trust security, and multi-cloud operation will be efficient. I hope you all understand about the cloud infrastructure management, and if you have any clarification related to this topic, feel free to contact me. Thank you.